Is that Sonia?
She's doing great. Fuck yeah. Oh fuck, that's a view, bro. Yeah, good one, son. You might want to keep your front. Okay, never mind. Lean forward. Do not go back an inch more. That high line's a little tough. Fuck yeah! Haha, son! Yeah! Oh my god, the loam is amazing.
There's a few of them.
Fuck yeah, dude. I like riding with you, man. That was fucking good. That was great. Boom, boom.
Yeah.
You guys are good fun.
I don't think I have. I think you're good. Just don't go apeshit crazy. You're tighter than.
Don't go apeshit crazy. I gotta just see these guys on. I got this video thing going.
Oh.
There's some fucking sexy ass legs back here, yo. I fucking love it. Fucking love it.